What's up, Wealth Whispers crew? Imagine this. You are 17, dreaming of college, car, starting that side hustle, but suddenly loans pop up everywhere. Student loans, buy now, pay later apps, maybe even a quick cash fix from a friend of a friend. Sounds easy, right? Wrong. One bad loan can haunt you for years, jacking up interest and tanking your credit score. Today, in this 20-minute deep dive video, we are breaking down the 7 types of loan teens in the US and UK should actually know about. We will cover what they are, when to use, real examples, and pro tips to stay debt free. Whether you are saving for college or just want to avoid adult money drama, hit play and grab a notebook. If you are new here, smash subscribe for more teen finance wins. Let's save your future wallet. So, number one, student loans. First of all, we are talking only about US. First up, student loans. The big one for anyone enjoying college. In the US, these are federal loans like direct subsidized, unsubsidized, and plus loans. Subsidized loans are gold for low income families. They have no interest while you are in school, whereas unsubsidized goals have interest right starts away. But you can borrow more, and at last, plus loans. Parents or grads take them for extra costs. Here are some limits to them. Undergrads can snag up to $5,500 to $12,500 per year, depending on year and need. You have to repay them after graduation when earning 30K plus. The pro for this is flexible forgiveness program, and a con, average debt at 30K per dollar could delay your house or car. Let's take an example to understand this goal. Sarah borrows a $20K loan for state university. She pays $200 per month postgraduate. Smart, yes, if budgeted. Number second, student loans for UK. In UK, your student finance is government-backed magic. Tuition fee loans cover up to $10,000 per year. Maintenance loans for living cost are 10K pound if away from home. You can repay only if you are earning 27,000 pounds. That's 9% above the threshold. Interest tied to inflation, that is 3%, plus if unpaid for 30 to 40 years, it will be wiped out clean. Let's take an example. Tom gets a £12,000 maintenance for London College. Post grad salary, he gets a 28K pound and pays £9 per month. Epic. That's totally low risk, but rates rise with living cost. So budget part-time gigs. A small tip. Apply through Student Finance England, Wales and Scotland by deadline. And avoid private student loans unless desperate, as they charge high interest rates up to 10%. Number 3, personal loans. These are unsecured cash from banks and credit unions for anything like phones, sneakers, laptop, travel, or everything. In US and UK, lenders like Lending Club or Ocean Finance offer 1,000 to 25,000 with 1 to 7 years repayment and 6 to 36% APRs based on credit. For teens 18 plus, you need an income proof like a job or an allowance. Let's take an example to understand this loan. Alex, 18, borrows a $2,000 loan for a car, deposit at 10% APR. That's $50 per month. Good if emergency, but bad for loans. A small pitfall. High fees if poor credit. A tip. Compare the market. Borrow only if you can pay it in 3 months' income. A pro for this loan is that it is flexible to use and have fixed payments. And a con is it has high interest and needs good credit. Now, number 4, buy now and pay later loans. You see, we are familiar with this. BNPL like Klarna, ClearPay, and Affirm split purchases into 4 interest-free payments. These are tempting for sneakers, yes, but miss one. Fees plus credit diets. In US, Affirm charges 30% up to APR in UK, whereas 0% if on time. Example, a $100 shoe can go like $25 per month if late $10 fee trap. Overspends add up. A tip. Treat as debit only. Buy budgeted stuff. 40% of young users miss payments per reports that sneak it up. Number 5. Credit builders and guaranteed loans. In UK, credit unions hold your payments in savings, build score. $300 to $1,000 loan are interest free and guaranteed loans are you can borrow up to $1,000 to $5,000 pound with parents guarantee. In US, secured loans are equivalent. Guarantor pays if you flick tip. Use for necessity only. Number 6. Overdraft and payday loans. You see, in UK, bank gives $2,000 to $3,000 interest free, whereas in US, you can avail similar via credit unions. Payday loans. Avoid them at any cost. These are short term $100 to $1,000 loan at 1000% APR. That's debt spiral city. A tip. Build emergency fund instead. At last we have auto or startup loans. Auto loans for your first car. 18 plus with income. 4 to 7% are APR. Secured by vehicle. Whereas startup loans. UK government provides you with £25,000 loan for business under 3 years. While in US, SBA micro loans are available. Here are some common mistakes and red flags which you have to avoid. Number 1. Borrowing for luxuries. Number 2. Ignoring APR and fees. Number 3. No repayment plan. And number 4. Multiple apps and one. A red flag. Guaranteed approval. It is a total scam. Always calculate total cost. So, there you have it, Wealth Whisper Squad. The 7 types of loan every teen in the US and UK needs to know, from lifesaver student loans to total trap payday predators. Remember, student loans can fuel your degree dreams if you plan repayment like a boss. Personal and auto loans are also fine for real needs with a solid budget, but buy now pay later, payday or guarantor stuff. Treat them like a hot stove. Use pairing or regret the burn. The golden rule. Always calculate the full cost. Borrow only if you can. Repay fast and build that emergency fund first to stay free. Now, you have got the knowledge. Don't let bad loans steal your future glow. Drop a comment. Which loan scares you most? And what's your first big borrow goal? Smash that like button if the video just saved your wallet. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for next show. Share with a friend eyeing on a new car or taking a new loan. At last, you are not just watching, you are building wealth. Catch you next time. Stay smart and stay whispering wealth.